Hello my loves, so I'm going to be showing you how you take this lace wig and make it into this in 3 simple steps. This is really lazy girl friendly, so if you're lazy, keep watching. So here is a close-up of the wig. As you can see, the hairline looks pretty natural, doesn't need much plucking, and there's baby hairs there already, and the lace didn't even need bleaching at all, so pretty good for us lazy girls. This hair is literally so soft, guys. I literally just love running my fingers through it. So to start, I'm just going to put in some T-pins, because if you watch my last hair video, the mannequin just was not having it. So, you know, I'm going to try and make this video a lot more stable than the last one. Before I start, I just comb the hair through quickly, and there was a lot of different colored threads in this hair, so I was picking them out, and I just start straightening the hair. This is very, very sped up, as you can tell. But yeah, I wanted to get the straightening bit out of the way. Next, I wanted to give the wig a bit of a deeper part. It wouldn't lay flat, so I had to take a bit of the Lotta Body serum and just put that over the hair, and you can see instantly it just made the hair look a lot flatter. And I just straightened that again just to keep it in place. And I was planning on trimming the ends of the hair, but I didn't feel like it once it had been straightened. I felt like it didn't need it. So this is what the hair looks like when it was fully straightened and on my head. And now I'm just preparing the lace for cutting. And I just started by cutting down the middle and just doing it section by section, as that seems like the best and easiest way to cut lace. Guys, this took a lot of concentration, and you had to go so slow because you don't want to ruin the wig. I just love how natural this wig looked. I've been wearing it to work because I filmed this video quite a while ago, but I've been wearing it to work since, and I get so many compliments on this wig. People thinking it's my real hair. So yeah, what I'm doing now is just taking some Eco Styler gel and creating some baby hairs. I really wanted the baby hairs to look more like how it is now, but by the time I finished doing this video, it was a lot more like how it is there. And I kind of liked it, actually. It made it look a lot more natural, not being stuck to my forehead. It looked a lot more natural. So here I'm just showing you that I curled a little bit of the hair, and I was like, do I prefer it straight or do I prefer it curly? And I went with curly, or a little bit wavy kind of thing. And here I'm just curling the hair or making it a little bit more wavier. So yeah, I didn't use any glue for this wig at all, or any tape or anything. It came with clips inside. But yeah, I didn't need anything apart from like straightening it. And then this is what the hair looked like at the end. It literally looks like how my hair looked when I had my hair relaxed. It just looks so natural. So yeah, that's the end of the video, guys. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.